Hey there, and welcome to another episode of Teach Me Chef. Today we're looking at tondli. What is tondli, you may ask? Well, this is tondli. The English name is ivy gourd, and it's a cucumbery looking vegetable coming from the same family that's very popular in India. And today we're going to take a look at a dish that's starring tondli, and well, I can only assure you it's going to taste amazing. So I'm going to pass the kitchen to my student and let's jump right to it. How about you start with a quick ingredients run through? So you've got a bit over half a kilo of tondli there, and it has already been thoroughly washed. Tondli is usually covered with small bits of soil, so the best way to clean it is to just scrub them one by one. Then you have 3 garlic cloves, then a few Kashmiri dried red chilies. Now if you can't get your hands on them, just use any dried red chilies. And then the spices. You've got cumin seeds, salt, turmeric, coriander powder, and chili powder. And some cooking oil as well. So you're gonna start by preparing tondli. Grab one. Okay, and first you want to cut its butts off. Yep, just like that. Okay. And then you want to halve the tondli lengthwise twice. So you'll get 4 long quarters of a tondli. Yeah, that's it, you got it. Now repeat this process until all of your tondli is cut. Okay, good. Now you're gonna take your garlic and cut it into slices. And don't worry, they don't have to be very thin. That's fine. Okay. Next, grab your chilies and just break them into 2-3 pieces. Now you'll see some seeds fall out, so make sure not to waste any. And that's it for the prepping. Time to cook. Actually, before you start, grab a jug and fill it with cold filtered water. Okay, then put a large pan on medium-high heat and splash a generous amount of cooking oil and let it warm up a little. Add a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Yeah, maybe a bit more. That's fine. Let them fry a little while stirring and coating in oil. And once they brown a little and you can smell their aroma, add the garlic slices. Yeah, if you can smell them, just go in with the garlic. Okay, coat it in oil, and after about 30 seconds you want to add your dried chilies. Good. Now fry this mix until garlic starts to brown and you can clearly smell all the ingredients. Just careful with smelling, because the chili can make you sneeze. Okay, now, it's time to add the tondli. Watch out, as the oil is gonna splash when you add it in. Okay, now reduce the heat to medium and fry it for maybe 2 minutes, stirring constantly. Okay, now grab the jug and pour some water in, just to cover the whole pan with a thin layer. Now it should come to boil pretty much instantly, yeah, as you can see. So now just add a teaspoon of salt, place a cover on top and let it cook for about 10 to 12 minutes. Okay, 10 minutes on the clock. Try one and see if it's tender. They should not give you any resistance when biting, but don't let them get mushy. Oh, they're still hard? Oh, and you forgot to add the salt, huh? Don't worry, just add it now and keep trying them every 2 minutes from now on until they are soft. Okay, well, 16 minutes total. How is it? Good, yeah, not chewy? Okay, in with the spices then. A teaspoon of turmeric for the start. Yeah, that's fine. Now, as you add your spices, they will soak up the water, so splash a bit more, like don't let it dry up. Then 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, mix again and see if it needs more water. Okay, that looks fine. Add a teaspoon of chili powder and mix everything to even out. Look at that. The spices with the water, they created a nice thick coating for our tondi. It smells delicious. Now taste one. Okay, does it need anything else? A little salt maybe? Yeah? Okay. Then go ahead and add some. Now this is the last step of the cooking process, so adjust all the spices per your taste. Alright, now basically fry until the coating gets a little thicker and there is no water on the pan. Yeah, I think that's enough. You still want some moisture in there, just not water, you know, you don't want it watery. Okay, I think we can take it off the heat and just keep it covered. That's it, you did it. Plating time. Now, you can have tondli with just cooked rice, but I happen to have some dahi curry, which is sort of a yogurt curry, and it happens to go really well with tondli. I'll leave a link to that recipe in the description. Plain dal is also a good add-on, or if you want a rice alternative, you can try it with chapati, which is a type of an Indian bread. Wow, it looks gorgeous, really. Nice. Alright then, student, let's see if you did a good job. Looks really good. Smells nice as well. So let me grab some with a little bit of this curd curry. Oh, it's really good. Oh, I'm gonna clean this bread. Okay, I'm gonna go and eat it now. Thanks. Bye.